to Sound Bites Academy. You have reached day 9 of our 30 Days English Level Up Challenge. Good day. How have you been faring lately?
Greetings. I have been quite well, thank you. And yourself?
I have been keeping busy. I wanted to speak with you about a topic that has been on my mind recently.
Of course, I'm all ears. What is it that you'd like to discuss?
I have been pondering the concept of the human psyche and how it relates to our behavior and decision-making processes.
Ah, I see. It's a complex and multifaceted topic, to be sure. What are your thoughts on it?
I believe that our past experiences, both conscious and unconscious, play a significant role in shaping our personality and outlook on life. However, I also think that our present circumstances and environment have a strong influence on our actions and choices.
That's a compelling perspective. Have you read any literature or research on the subject?
Yes, I have delved into a few studies and papers on the topic, as well as some philosophical writings. It's fascinating to see the different approaches and theories.
Indeed, there are many schools of thought on the matter. Do you think that understanding the human psyche can lead to better decision-making and problem-solving?
I do believe so. By being aware of our own biases and patterns of thinking, we can learn to make more informed and rational decisions, as well as develop empathy and understanding for others.
That's a powerful insight. Thank you for sharing your thoughts with me.
Good day. How have you been faring lately?
Greetings. I have been quite well, thank you. And yourself?
I have been keeping busy. I wanted to speak with you about a topic that has been on my mind recently.
Of course, I'm all ears. What is it that you'd like to discuss?
I have been pondering the concept of the human psyche and how it relates to our behavior and decision-making processes.
Ah, I see. It's a complex and multifaceted topic, to be sure. What are your thoughts on it?
I believe that our past experiences, both conscious and unconscious, play a significant role in shaping our personality and outlook on life. However, I also think that our present circumstances and environment have a strong influence on our actions and choices.
That's a compelling perspective. Have you read any literature or research on the subject?
Yes, I have delved into a few studies and papers on the topic, as well as some philosophical writings. It's fascinating to see the different approaches and theories.
Indeed, there are many schools of thought on the matter. Do you think that understanding the human psyche can lead to better decision-making and problem-solving?
I do believe so. By being aware of our own biases and patterns of thinking, we can learn to make more informed and rational decisions, as well as develop empathy and understanding for others.
That's a powerful insight. Thank you for sharing your thoughts with me.
Hello, it's been a while since we last spoke. How have you been keeping?
Greetings. Yes, It has been some time. I've been doing well, thank you for asking. I wanted to talk to you about the current state of the economy and how it may affect our business.
Ah, yes, it's been a tumultuous year for many industries. What are your concerns and ideas for moving forward?
I think that we need to take a more proactive and innovative approach to our operations. We may need to streamline some processes and cut back on expenses, but we also need to invest in new technologies and strategies to stay competitive.
That's a wise strategy. What areas do you think we should focus on in terms of innovation?
I believe that we should prioritize digital transformation and automation, as well as explore new markets and partnerships. We also need to prioritize sustainability and social responsibility in our practices.
Those are all great ideas. Have you considered reaching out to any external experts or consultants for advice and guidance?
Yes, I have been in touch with a few professionals in the industry and have also attended some conferences and webinars to stay informed on the latest trends and best practices.
Excellent. It's good to have a multifaceted approach and leverage the expertise of others. Thank you for sharing your insights with me.
You're welcome. I think that it's important to have a holistic approach when it comes to business strategy, and to stay open to new ideas and perspectives.
Absolutely. In terms of digital transformation and automation, what specific technologies do you think would be most beneficial for our business?
I think that artificial intelligence and machine learning could be powerful tools for optimizing our processes and improving efficiency. We could also explore the use of blockchain technology for enhancing security and transparency in our operations.
Interesting. How do you think these technologies could be integrated into our existing systems and workflows?
It would require a significant investment of time and resources, but I think that the potential benefits would outweigh the costs in the long run. We could start by conducting a thorough analysis of our current systems and identifying areas for improvement, and then gradually implement new technologies in a phased approach.
That sounds like a sound plan. I'm glad that we're thinking creatively and strategically about the future of our business. Thank you for sharing your ideas and insights with me.
It's my pleasure. I believe that collaboration and innovation are key to success in today's economy, and I look forward to exploring these possibilities further.
Hello, it's been a while since we last spoke. How have you been keeping?
Greetings. Yes, it has been some time. I've been doing well, thank you for asking. I wanted to talk to you about the current state of the economy and how it may affect our business.
Ah, yes, it's been a tumultuous year for many industries. What are your concerns and ideas for moving forward?
I think that we need to take a more proactive and innovative approach to our operations. We may need to streamline some processes and cut back on expenses, but we also need to invest in new technologies and strategies to stay competitive.
That's a wise strategy. What areas do you think we should focus on in terms of innovation?
I believe that we should prioritize digital transformation and automation, as well as explore new markets and partnerships. We also need to prioritize sustainability and social responsibility in our practices.
Those are all great ideas. Have you considered reaching out to any external experts or consultants for advice and guidance?
Yes, I have been in touch with a few professionals in the industry and have also attended some conferences and webinars to stay informed on the latest trends and best practices.
Excellent. It's good to have a multifaceted approach and leverage the expertise of others. Thank you for sharing your insights with me.
You're welcome. I think that it's important to have a holistic approach when it comes to business strategy and to stay open to new ideas and perspectives.
Absolutely. In terms of digital transformation and automation, what specific technologies do you think would be most beneficial for our business?
I think that artificial intelligence and machine learning could be powerful tools for optimizing our processes and improving efficiency. We could also explore the use of blockchain technology for enhancing security and transparency in our operations.
Interesting. How do you think these technologies could be integrated into our existing systems and workflows?
It would require a significant investment of time and resources, but I think that the potential benefits would outweigh the costs in the long run. We could start by conducting a thorough analysis of our current systems and identifying areas for improvement, and then gradually implement new technologies in a phased approach.
That sounds like a sound plan. I'm glad that we're thinking creatively and strategically about the future of our business. Thank you for sharing your ideas and insights with me.
It's my pleasure. I believe that collaboration and innovation are key to success in today's economy, and I look forward to exploring these possibilities further.
Hi there. It's great to see you again. How have you been?
Hey, good to see you too. I've been doing well, thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing all right. I wanted to talk to you about sustainability in our neighborhood. I've been thinking a lot lately about how we can reduce our environmental footprint and create a more sustainable community.
That's a great topic. What specific ideas do you have in mind?
Well, I think that one area we could focus on is waste reduction. We could start by encouraging more recycling and composting, and also try to reduce our overall consumption of single-use plastics and packaging.
Yes, waste reduction is definitely a critical issue. I think that another important aspect of sustainability is energy conservation. We could explore ways to increase the use of renewable energy sources in our homes and businesses, and also look into ways to reduce our overall energy usage.
Those are both great ideas. Another area that I think we could work on is transportation. We could encourage more biking and walking, and also explore the possibility of carpooling or using public transportation more often.
Absolutely. And I think that community engagement and education are also key to creating a more sustainable neighborhood. We could organize events and workshops to raise awareness about environmental issues.
I completely agree. It's important to involve everyone in the community and make sustainability a collective effort. Do you have any specific initiatives or events in mind that we could organize?
Well, one idea that comes to mind is a community cleanup day, where we all come together to pick up litter and other debris from our streets and parks. We could also host a green energy fair to showcase renewable energy technologies and educate people on how they can reduce their energy consumption.
Those both sound like fantastic ideas. I think that if we work together as a community, we can make a real difference in creating a more sustainable and environmentally friendly neighborhood. Thanks for chatting with me about this.
My pleasure. It's always great to have these kinds of conversations and think about ways to make positive change in our community.
Hi there. It's great to see you again. How have you been?
Hey, good to see you too. I've been doing well, thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing all right. I wanted to talk to you about sustainability in our neighborhood. I've been thinking a lot lately about how we can reduce our environmental footprint and create a more sustainable community.
That's a great topic. What specific ideas do you have in mind?
Well, I think that one area we could focus on is waste reduction. We could start by encouraging more recycling and composting, and also try to reduce our overall consumption of single-use plastics and packaging.
Yes, waste reduction is definitely a critical issue. I think that another important aspect of sustainability is energy conservation. We could explore ways to increase the use of renewable energy sources in our homes and businesses, and also look into ways to reduce our overall energy usage.
Those are both great ideas. Another area that I think we could work on is transportation. We could encourage more biking and walking, and also explore the possibility of carpooling or using public transportation more often.
Absolutely. And I think that community engagement and education are also key to creating a more sustainable neighborhood. We could organize events and workshops to raise awareness about environmental issues.
I completely agree. It's important to involve everyone in the community and make sustainability a collective effort. Do you have any specific initiatives or events in mind that we could organize?
Well, one idea that comes to mind is a community cleanup day, where we all come together to pick up litter and other debris from our streets and parks. We could also host a green energy fair to showcase renewable energy technologies and educate people on how they can reduce their energy consumption.
Those both sound like fantastic ideas. I think that if we work together as a community, we can make a real difference in creating a more sustainable and environmentally friendly neighborhood. Thanks for chatting with me about this.
My pleasure. It's always great to have these kinds of conversations and think about ways to make positive change in our community.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below if you found any content challenging and share your thoughts with other learners. Subscribe, like, and share this video to support us and stay up to date on new courses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.